in this lesson we are going to be looking at adding and subtracting decimals. When you're setting up your sum, you always need to make sure that all your units are in the correct column. So your hundreds go with the hundreds, your tens go with the 10, your tenths go with the tenths, etc. And the decimals should all be in a line. So first of all, we're going to start with the first question that we have. And I can see that it is a subtraction. Now it is always important to show whether you are adding or subtracting. So please make sure that you put that in. 9 take away 5 gives me 4. 4 take away 1 gives me 3. I'll put my decimal in a line. Sorry, my pen isn't very well calibrated. 4 take away 4 is 0. 4 take away 1 is 3. And 7 take away 7 is 0. So it'll be 30.34. That doesn't look like 30.34, but it really is. So in the next one, we are adding. So I'm going to go 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 9, 8 and 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17. Decimal point goes straight down, always put it in. 9, 10, 11, so I'm going to carry my 1 and put my 1 down there. 7, 8, 8 and 8 is 16, so carry the 1, put the 6 in that column. 9, 10 plus 6 is 16, so 1,661 and 78, 0.078. Okay, I'm just going to do this one just to remind you what we do when we don't have enough on the top. So 8 take away 8 is 0. 9 take away 5 is 4. Put your decimal point straight down. 1 take away 1 is 0. 3 take away 7. I cannot do it. I need to borrow. So I'm going to borrow. That becomes 13. That was a bit weird. That becomes 13. 13 take away 7 is 6. And now that's a 3. So 3 take away 2 is 1. So 160.40. Okay, hopefully you are able to do all of those. Please go and do decimals 3.